If you're encountering an invalid credentials error on Adyen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Verify API key. Ensure that the API key you are using is correct. Log into your Adyen account, navigate to the API credentials section, and copy the key again to avoid any typographical errors. Step 2. Check account status. Before starting recovery, use the /com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Review environment settings. Make sure you are using the correct environment settings live or test. If you are in the test environment, ensure that your API key corresponds to the test credentials. Step 4. Update integration code. If you have recently updated your integration code, double-check that all necessary parameters are included and correctly formatted. Refer to the Adyen documentation for the latest integration guidelines. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the above steps, reach out to Adyen support. Provide them with detailed information about the error and the steps you've taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials error on Adyen. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.